was really bad. Oh, I'm really sorry about that. No. Shit. Hold it back. I cannot cough in this place. What will everyone think about me? Shit, hold it back, shit.